And so we just want to tell everyone, you know, especially people who are not homeowners that may be thinking about it or maybe have not even thought about it,
Right.
that this is definitely a great time to buy.
So is it like there are certain times where you should buy and certain times where you shouldn't, or it just doesn't matter?
No. You'll hear that in the spring and the summertime. That's when most people are out, you know, shopping for homes and everything. But there's really no best time to, the market is the market, you know. So I say whenever you are in a position to be able to buy, I say yeah.
What are like the top 3 things for a new, for a new homeowner they should have?
So first off, you want to be pre-approved,
Okay.
right? And so with your pre-approval, what they're looking at is your credit. They're looking at your income. And so, once you get your pre-approval, and then that dictates, you know, what you can afford, of course.
Yeah.
And then you connect with a good realtor, myself.
Yes.
And you let me know exactly what your criteria is, like how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms you're looking for, you know, what area you would like to be in.
Yeah.
And then I pull all of that information, all of those listings, and then we go out and we take a look at the homes. Yeah.
Okay.
It's really, I mean, that sounds real simple because it really is.
Yeah.
I mean, it blows people's mind like how quick the process can go. As long as you're pre-approved. When you're pre-approved, we ready to rock and roll.
So you just gotta take that first step to get pre-approved.
And that's usually, that's kind of like the part of the process that people are kind of hesitant with, you know, only because it's the unknown.
Yeah.
You know, but you never know. You don't know what you don't know.
That's true.
You know, and
That's true.
it doesn't hurt to see what you qualify for. You'd be surprised.
Yeah.
And I always tell people, wherever you stay, you have to pay.
Mm-hmm.
So why not
True.
invest in yourself, right?
Yeah.
Even if it's a townhome or condo, you might not want to start off with a single family home.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But I mean, might as well just invest in yourself.
That's true.
Yeah. So no pressure. No pressure at all. I just wanted to throw that out there. You know, whenever you are ready, if you're even thinking about it, let's have a more detailed conversation around it. Because I want to see, I love to see young people just take a hold of what's going on. You know, and real estate is definitely it.
Okay.
And early on, you can just really make some really good money quick, fast, in a hurry in real estate if you connect with the right people.
Yeah.
You know, and so I like to share that information. You know, especially with my young people because y'all are out teaching.